What's up mga pre? Welcome to DIY Food. And for this episode, we'll be making beef steak Pinoy style, or we can call it Bistek. So this recipe, you can also do it with pork, but in this case, I'm using thin slices of beef kasi ito yung original talaga. So simulan na natin. So sisimulan ko lang sa pagpiga ng ating mga kalamansi. So I think I'm using around 15 to 20 na kalamansi. So, ayan siya. Sobrang tiresome, sobrang tedious, pero I guarantee you guys, this is gonna be worth it later. So, pigain nyo lang yan sa bowl and then scoop out yung mga seeds niya. Yung seeds, sobrang pait yan. So, as much as you can, scoop out nyo lang. So, sa isang bowl or lalagyan, lagyan nyo lang yung kalamansi nyo. Wag lahat kasi we'll adjust this later. So, we'll add also half cup ng soy sauce, like that, and then at least 1/3 cup ng lemon lime soda, and then lagyan natin ng garlic, and kanina nilagyan ko rin siya ng pepper. So i-mince nyo lang yung garlic and diretso to dun sa marinating liquid. So optional yung garlic. Some people don't use garlic in bistek, but I like garlic so much I put it. So lagay nyo lang yung beef nyo. Make sure every bits and pieces and nooks and crannies are covered, and then magsaslice na tayo ng ating onion. So bistek is not bistek without red onion. You can also use yellow onion, I guess, pero I prefer the red onion. Yan talaga yung ginagamit ko. Mas stringent kasi siya para sa akin. Yun yung parang nangangagat na lasa. Yun yung hinahanap-hanap ko sa bistek, and hindi nyo makukuha yun sa yellow onion. So yan, paghiwa-hiwalay nyo lang and then set aside. So, in a medium pan, non-stick pan, mag-add lang ako ng konting oil. And then, ifo-fry natin yung ating thin slices of beef, like that. So, dapat mabilis lang kasi kapag in-overcook ito, magiging makunat yung bistek nyo. So, basically, gusto ko lang magkaroon ng konting browning bago ko lagyan ng liquid. So, okay na yan. We'll just do it for the rest of the beef. So, itatabi ko muna siya. And gagawin ko rin sa remaining slices ng beef. Again, we just need browning. Wag na yung overcook to kasi magiging sobrang kunat ng bistek mo. So, yep, this is what we wanted. So, ready na yan para iset aside. Next, we will put our marinating liquid, and then we will reduce this into siguro your desired consistency. Ako, gusto ko lang mas maging concentrated ng lasa. I'm adding some pepper in it. Reduce pala to simmer. Ibig sabihin, low heat lang. Huwag nyo i-boil kasi hindi yun yung gusto natin. And then, lagay nyo lang yung inyong yung beef. So, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin dyan basically is to make sure na yung sauce is mag-incorporate dun sa beef nyo. Huwag nyo tatagalan. Like I've said, ayaw natin tumunan. So, ilalagay lang natin yung ating onion slices, like that. It's both for garnish and for flavor din. So, you'd want for each bite, merong konting onion. So, yan yung gusto nyo. Yeah. So, this is pretty much done. So, I will set this aside na. And then, kukuha na tayo ng ating serving plate. So, lalagay lang natin lahat ng piraso ng ating beef dyan. Like so, like that. So, put it in this manner. And then, lalagay na natin yung ating mga onions. And last but not least, the sabaw or the liquid or the sauce. So, okay na yan. Make sure makuha nyo lahat ng sabaw. And, ready na yan. So, of course, the best thing to do or to eat with your bistek is with rice. So, tikman nyo muna without rice. And then, syempre, kuha kayo ng rice. Importante. So, in serving this sa plate nyo, slice up nyo na para mas madaling kainin. Ilagay nyo top of your rice. Lagyan ng konting sauce or sabaw. And then, dig in. Sobrang solid mga pre. So, try nyo na. And again, this is DIY Food. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.